Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you are new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. Do take a moment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon right next to it for notifications. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create the soft glam orange eye makeup look or the halo eye makeup with a hint of gold. So let's get started. To begin with, I'm going to prime my eyelids with this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to blend it well so that the shadows have a good base to stick on to. And I'm going to use the Colourpop's translucent powder so to set it all in. I'm going to just dab it so that the eyeshadows don't crease on my eyelid. I'm going to use the shade by Morphe into Jaclyn Hill palette and blend it well in the crease area, and I'm just to create depth. And I'm going to take the second color, that's beautiful bright orange, burnt orange shade, and I'm going to create depth in the outer corner and blend it inwards like so, because we are going to create a halo eye makeup. So go on dabbing the color till you're happy with the color. Now I'm going to go inward with the same color to create the halo effect and dab the product and blend, dab and blend till you're happy with the color. Now I'm going to use this Nicka K Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Golden. It's a beautiful color, and then blend it only in the center of the eyelid. I'm not going to go all over, just the center of the eyelids for a pop of gold. Next, with the Sugar Brow Definer, I'm going to define my brows. I don't like very bright and defined eyebrows. I'm just going to fill in the sparse areas like this. I'm going to use this shade to blend out the harsh lines, and I'm going to blend it well till I'm happy with the way it looks. Now I'm going to use this Hyper Glossy liner by Maybelline to create a winged liner. I'm going to use the same LA Pro Conceal in the shade medium beige to cover my dark circles like so, and blend it with a beauty blender, and then go over it with the translucent setting powder to set that concealer in place. Now I'm going to use this Wet n Wild's Kohl liner Calling You Buff for the lower lash line, and with the same orange eyeshadow I'm going to create the smokiness under the lower lash line like so. I'm going to use this highlight from the Balm Cosmetics called the Mary Luminizer to define my brow bone area, to add a pop of highlight there. And I'm going to use the shade Queen from the Morphe Hill palette to add a pop of color to my inner corner. I'm going to curl my lashes and add a good coat of mascara by Maybelline called the Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. You can go ahead and add falsies if you would like to. And this, you guys, is the final look of the soft glam orange eye makeup or orange halo eye makeup look. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. Do go to my channel Shimmers and Polishes and watch my other tutorials there. Do subscribe and show some love to me and my channel on both YouTube and Instagram. Take care, and don't forget to subscribe once again, and bye.